Mr Heta.
Kia ora.
Thank you for taking your time to speak with us today. We're going to ask you some part-time questions, and you can choose one. Puha or watercress?
Puha.
Justin Bieber or Lady Gaga?
Lady Gaga.
Yes.
Vegemite or Marmite?
Marmite.
Coke or Sprite?
Coke.
Rugby or football?
Hands down, rugby.
Benji Marshall or Sonny Bill Williams?
Sunny Bill.
Okay. Coronation Street or Shortland Street?
Do I have to choose one of them?
Yes.
That's a hard one.
They're both terrible.
I'll go with Shortland Street.
Okay. Crusaders or Reds?
Oh, I've chosen the Crusaders for my picks. I'm going to have to go with them.
Okay. What does Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori mean to you?
What does it mean to me? It means just being able to get out there and speak the language and enjoying what we do on a daily basis.
Okay.
Having fun.
Okay. Can you please say mean Maori mean into the camera?
Mean, Maori, mean.
Kia pai tōna. Thank you, Mr Heta, for talking to us.
Kia ora.
Cut.